Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Tennessee LLC Formation Guide. So now I'll walk you through the 5 essential steps to get your LLC up and running. Plus, if you want to make things easier, Northwest Registered Agent can form your LLC for only $39. You can find the link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Alright, so now let's move to step 1, which is to choose a name for your LLC that follows Tennessee's naming rules. The name must include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC. It can't imply that your LLC is a corporation or a government agency or anything that you are not authorized to do. Most importantly, the name must be unique. You can use Tennessee's business name availability tool to check if your name is available. So now you would want to go to sos.tn.gov, and from here you would want to click here on businesses. And then once you are here, you want to click here on search businesses, and now you would now be able to use the Tennessee's business name availability tool by searching for your name right here or business name right here and see if it is available. Make sure that there is no other business name right here on Tennessee. Make sure that it's unique. And now step number 2, which is to appoint a registered agent. Tennessee law requires every LLC to appoint a registered agent. This person or business will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in Tennessee and must be available during normal business hours. While you can act as your own agent, it's better to hire a commercial registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent. For only $39, they can take care of your LLC formation and handle your registered agent duties, keeping your personal address off public records. You'll find the link in the description. And now step number 3, you'll file the Articles of Organization or Form SS 4270 with Tennessee Secretary of State. You can file online, by mail, or in person. Filing online is the fastest, but there is an extra fee. The minimum filing fee is $300 depending on the number of LLC members, and it goes up for larger LLCs. To save on fees, you can fill out the form online and choose to print and mail it. Be sure to check the Tennessee Secretary of State website for all filing details and instructions. And now let's move on to step number 4, which is to create an LLC operating agreement. While not legally required in Tennessee, it's a smart move to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and management of your LLC. It's especially helpful if you have multiple members. But even for a single-member LLC, it provides clarity and can be essential for creating a bank account for your business or applying for loans. And now, finally, step number 5. You will need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number from the IRS. It's free and easy to apply for online. An EIN acts like a social security number for your business and is required if you plan to hire employees, open a bank account, or file taxes. And now for the post-formation tips. After forming your LLC, I recommend that you keep your personal and business finances separate. Open a business bank account using the details that you have got in the process, and consider getting a corporate credit card. This will help protect your personal assets from business liabilities. You should also look for business insurance and make sure you're compliant with Tennessee's legal requirements, such as workers' compensation if you plan to hire employees. Finally, get your website up and running as soon as possible. 75% of small businesses have websites, and it's crucial for visibility. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can start your LLC in Tennessee. Those are the 5 essential steps for your formation guide in getting your LLC set up. Now you know how to start an LLC in Tennessee. For an easier route, use Northwest Registered Agent for only $39. They will take care of all the paperwork for you. Check the link in the description below to get started, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other videos for more business tips. Best of luck with your new LLC.